Do you want to be a faceless content creator? Somebody capable of posting enormous volumes of content, but without very much effort and without having to show your face and reveal who you are to the world. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Bith.ai to create faceless content. Using AI, short content that you can post on any platform you want, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X. Most content that you probably think of are people doing skits or interviews or podcasts or talking head videos such as this one that you're watching right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down for you how to use our tool to generate AI content. If you're interested in, say, history, you may not be interested in cameras and cinematography and audio and lighting, editing. So we are going to take all of that away and we're going to use Bith.ai. This tutorial is going to be conducted on PC. However, you can do everything that I'm going to show you using just your smartphone. Let's hop over here to Bith.ai in our web browser. We are going to go to the video generator tool. Here you can see all your settings where you start your content creation process. And we're going to give a prompt. Tell me about the top 5 most powerful countries in World War II. Our video duration, we're going to leave it at 1 minute since that is the cap for YouTube Shorts. English, we're going to do 9:16 vertical dimensions, portrait. We're going to say we want it to be educational. We want background music because we want to really feel what we're learning. We're going to leave it as normal in the tone of the video, and we're going to leave the motion effects on. And we're going to go ahead and click next, where we're going to choose a voiceover. Any of these are going to be great. I'm going to go with Noah, and I'm going to click next. Now, we're on the video theme. Right here, historical, and I'm going to click generate the script. Yes, I want to proceed. In just a moment, we're going to have our script. We will review it and move on. All right, so we've got our script here. Make sure that it says what we want, and here we go. Generate scenes. All right, guys, we've got our video here. We are inside of the editor where we can watch through this, make changes. We can adjust scene lengths. We can go to the subtitles. We can change the subtitles here. We can change the voiceover if we want to. We can go to our text. We can change the text background. We can change the text color. We can change the font. We can change the type style, justification. We can go to effects. See, we've got one word highlighted at a time, but we can also change the color of individual words. I am going to leave it exactly as it is because I think it looks fine. We can add overlays. We can click on this one and let's see what happens. We can see it there. I like that film grain overlay, so we're gonna leave that. We can come in here, we've got all our scenes, we can click through, we can jump to individual ones. We can change the animation type from zoom in to zoom out or none. Edit scene, what happens if we click there? Oh, cool, I didn't even know this existed in here. You can actually change the entire visual of the scene. That is absolutely incredible. Come down here, let's click on this one. Edit scene, AI visuals. If you've created images using Bith.ai, you can use those for this. You can also upload videos. This is awesome. Stock library. Let's look for YouTube. Look at that. Boom. And now this scene is this. That is amazing. And then it saves what it previously was. Now that we've looked through here, I love this and I want to click export video. You can take this video when it's done and upload it anywhere you want. All right, guys, we have our final video. Big download button. Gonna go ahead and click. If you have some editing knowledge, expertise, even just using the Bith editor, I go to home, edit a video. You can modify the videos even further to help deliver your message. So I'm gonna show you this video right now.
Did you know that World War II dramatically reshaped global power dynamics? Today, we delve into the top 5 most powerful countries during this pivotal conflict. First, the United States, with its vast industrial capabilities, played a crucial role. Next, the Soviet Union, enduring immense sacrifices, turned the tide on the Eastern Front. The United Kingdom, despite early setbacks, remained resilient throughout the war. Germany, with its initial blitzkrieg successes, was a formidable force. Lastly, Japan, expanding rapidly in Asia, posed a significant challenge to the Allies. These nations were instrumental in shaping the war's outcome. In summary, these 5 nations were pivotal in determining World War II's outcome. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you enjoyed this content. Until next time, stay curious.
Fantastic. Absolutely enjoyed that video. That is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you stuck around this long. Comment down below what you think of this tool and how you are going to use it in your content.